Welcome back, science geniuses. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of kinetic energy. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind this powerful force that drives everything from speeding cars to soaring birds. Let's roll. First off, what exactly is kinetic energy? Well, simply put, it's the energy an object possesses due to its motion. Whether it's a rolling ball or a rushing river, if it's moving, it's got kinetic energy. Now, let's break down the formula for kinetic energy. It's as easy as 1 to 3. Kinetic energy equals 1/2 times the mass meter of the object times its velocity v squared. Remember, mass and velocity are the key players here. Okay, our next subject is energy transfer. Let's kick things off with a quick definition. Kinetic energy transfer is all about the movement of energy from one object to another. It's like passing the baton in a relay race, but with energy instead. Imagine you're on a swing, ready to soar through the air. As you pull back and release, you set the swing in motion. But what keeps you going back and forth? Energy exchange. Here's the scoop. As you swing forward, you're loaded with kinetic energy of motion. When you reach the peak of your swing, that kinetic energy converts to potential energy of position, the turnaround. Now, as gravity pulls you back down, that potential energy transforms back into kinetic energy. It's like a never-ending energy exchange, with each swing fueling the next, the transfer. But here's where the magic happens. As you swing, you're not just transferring energy within yourself, you're also transferring it to the swing set. With each push and pull, you're passing energy back and forth, keeping the swing in motion. Real-world applications. And this isn't just child's play. Kinetic energy transfer is everywhere. From the pendulum in a grandfather clock to the back and forth motion of a rocking chair. It's the driving force behind countless objects in motion. But wait, there's more. Kinetic energy is part of a larger story called the conservation of energy. It tells us that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. So, when a ball rolls to a stop, its kinetic energy transforms into other forms like heat or sound. Now, let's talk applications and impact. From renewable energy sources like wind turbines to the thrill of a baseball pitch, kinetic energy shapes our world in countless ways. Understanding it unlocks doors to innovation and sustainability, making our future brighter and more dynamic. So, next time you're on a swing, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of energy transfer happening with each sway. If you found this exploration of kinetic energy transfer enlightening, don't forget to swing that like button and subscribe for more science adventures. Until next time, keep swinging and keep discovering science geniuses.